So imagine there's a snake right in front of you. What's your reaction to it? Fear or disgust? That's a lot of people. When you hear the word snake, what do you imagine? For most people, their mind goes right to the snake of Eden or other negative associations that use them as symbols for sin, temptation, or deceit. They're important to maintaining the world as you know it, though. And maybe you'll perceive them a little different by the time I'm done with this speech. We'll explore 3 ways in which they're important to the world. They help maintain the ecosystem, they prevent the spread of disease, and they help create cures for different kinds of diseases. Or treatments. So, on how they help maintain the ecosystem, we'll be focusing on species in North Carolina specifically. They play a role as both predator and prey, and the following that I will list are based off amphibians and reptiles of North Carolina by Herps of NC. So they prey on mice, rats, rabbits, small birds, reptile and bird eggs, bugs like earthworms, roly-poly, centipedes, slugs, leeches, snails, spiders, frogs, toads, small turtles, salamanders, fish, and crayfish. They act as prey for larger birds like owls, crows, and herons, foxes, coyotes, and surprisingly, very often, other snakes. They help regulate the food web, preserve biodiversity, and limit the overpopulation of their predators and their prey, which is good for humans because a big rodent population is not a good thing. The crops will be destroyed, homes will be facing more destruction, and the spread of disease has been compared to the bubonic plague from them. Says, What If There Were No Snakes by Karen Kirkpatrick, published in 2024. An expansion in the rodent population means more household destruction. Why Snakes by Save the Snakes have a study from a university that estimates 20 million in damage is caused by mice per year in Nebraska alone. On another note, rodents they carry ticks. I'm talking a bunch. Timber rattlesnake eat 2,500 to 4,500 ticks per year from the mice and rats they eat. Says Emma Browning in her article, Snakes Play a Vital Role in Ecosystems, Human Health, published in 2023. She goes on to say they carry Lyme's disease, Rocky Mountain spotted fever, and encreliosis, and more. As said before, the rodents themselves also carry disease of their own comparable to plagues. Snakes keep these carriers to an acceptable level, lowering the risk of disease to society. By now you might be having second thoughts. See their use in the world. But let's see you see a venomous snake crossing the road. Obviously you're going to hit it. I mean, you could be saving someone's life. Say someone gets bitten by them. But in reality, you could be hurting people since the venom can be used as a cure in a sense. It is used to help make treatment for diseases like diabetes, heart conditions, and even cancer. According to What If There Were No Snakes by Karen Kirkpatrick, published in 2024. Copperhead snake venom in particular is used for treatments for breast cancer, stopping tumor growth, and stopping the spread of cancer throughout the body. According to Snakes Play a Vital Role in Ecosystems by Emma Browning in 2023. Published in 2023. So think twice about killing snakes. Even the venomous ones have their own uses to the world. I hope the benefits of having snakes are now apparent. They're an important part of the ecosystem. They prevent disease by eating rats, mice, and ticks. And they can create cures for diseases, a variety of diseases, through their venom. Ooh. Okay, lost the page. Anyways, I hope you can view them through a different lens now and see how they have a use to the world, and they're not something that is necessarily just harmful alone. So yeah, thank you for listening.